Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you a nice little Dorner conveyor today. It's a 6-inch by 48-inch length rather, and as you can see, it's got some accessories on it from its former application, which include everything from a Omni Presence Plus camera, light, small knockoff cylinder. There's a small little encoder there. The controls are no longer with it, but they go with the conveyor. It has telescoping legs, which are graduated. It's operating on 120 volt, single phase with a DC speed controller under here. And it has quite a range of speed. And that's full speed right now. We have lots of conveyors in our stock, all types, screw, pneumatic, belt, tabletop chain, etc. You can find it from our home page under conveyors. Then click the subset belt if you're looking at this particular type of conveyor. We hope to hear from you, and please visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.